Hello everyone. Today we are solving question first part of question second exercise 3.4 which is statement question. Now let us read the statement. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. This is our first condition, and the second is it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Then what is the fraction? Solution. Let the numerator of fraction is x and denominator of fraction is y. You all of know that what is fraction? Fraction is numerator upon denominator. Fraction is numerator upon denominator. Now we assume that fraction is numerator is x and denominator is y. So our fraction is x upon y. Now according to question, if we add 1 to numerator, now x, our fraction is x y y, x is numerator. If we add 1 to numerator, that is if we add 1 to x and 1 subtract 1 from denominator is y, and subtract 1 from denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. Then this is our fraction, this is equal to 1. In the first condition we are given that if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. Now solve this equation by cross multiplication. By cross multiply by x plus 1 is multiplied by 1, y minus 1 is multiplied by 1. So x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. Now all constant terms shift to right side and variable shift to left side. Now plus y become minus y, minus 1 plus 1 when shift to right side, so change their sign, minus 1. So our equation is x minus y equal to minus 2. This is our first equation. Now according to second condition is if we only add 1 to the denominator, now it become 1 by 2. Fraction become 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Now fraction is x y y. According to condition we are given that if we only add 1 to the denominator, so add 1 to y, and the fraction reduces to 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now similarly by cross multiply, x multiplied by 2, that is 2x equal to y plus 1, 2x plus y become minus is equal to plus 1. This is our second equation. Now equation first is x minus y is equal to minus 2. Second is 2x minus y equal to 1. Now because this question is a part of exercise 3.4, so we are solving this question by elimination method. Now first x minus y equal to minus 2. Second question is 2x minus y equal to 1. Basic step in elimination method is to make the numerical value of any variable is equal. So let us see here y. Here value of coefficient of y is 1. In the second equation also coefficient of y is 1. Already we have all numerical value of y is equal, so there is no need to multiply with any number. So we only subtract these equations. So subtract 1 and 2. But you can do with the second process also. You can eliminate the variable x also. So now x minus y equal to minus 2. 2x minus y equal to 1. Change the sign. Plus 2 become minus 2, minus y become plus 1, plus 1 become minus 1. So minus y plus y cancel. Now minus 2x plus x, minus x equal to minus 3. Now x is equal to 3. Substitute the value of x in equation first. This is our equation first. X minus y equal to minus 2. X is 3. Minus y equal to minus 2. Minus y equal to minus 2 minus 3. Plus 3 shift to right side. So change the sign. Minus y equal to minus 5. Minus minus cancel each other. Then y is equal to 5. Now we have to find the fraction. So fraction is x y y. So x is 3 and y is 5. So our answer is x upon y is equal to 3 by 5. Now question second. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice, means 3 times, as old as Sonu. They were talking about 5 years before. Okay, there are two persons, Nuri and Sonu. 5 years before, Nuri's age is 3 times more than Sonu is. In second condition, 10 years later, means 10 years from now, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Age of Nuri will become the twice from the age of Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? We have to find the present age of Nuri and Sonu. Let the Nuri's present age is x years and Sonu present age is y years. Now we have to deal with two conditions. One is 5 years ago, means 5 years past, and 10 years later. Now firstly 5 years ago. 5 years ago means 5 years before. What is the age of Nuri that time? If her age is now x, 5 years ago her age is x minus 5, because we are talking 5 years before. So we have to subtract 5 years from his age. Now similarly, age of Sonu's age is also y minus 5. Now first condition, according to question, we are given that 5 years ago Nuri was thrice. From this statement it is clear that age of Nuri is Nuri is 3 times greater than Sonu's age, means Nuri is elder from the Sonu. Now x minus 5, y minus 5. Please remind it, we have to always multiply with the smaller term, smaller age. Here who is smaller? Nuri. This is the age of Nuri. This is the age of Sonu. Who is smaller from both of Sonu? Sonu is smaller than Nuri. It is clear from the statement. So we multiply 3 with the age of Sonu to make these equal. So we have to always multiply with smaller term. Now x minus 5 equal to 3y minus 3 5 are 15. X minus plus 3y shift to left side, minus 3y, minus 15 plus 5. So x minus 3y equal to minus 10. This is our first equation. Now from the second equation, second is 10 years later. 10 years later means age of Nouri after 10 years. Present age is x. After 10 years, she will become x plus 10. Clear it? Suppose your age is now 10 years, 15 years. After 10 years, your age become 15 plus 10, that is 25. Similarly, now Nouri age is x. We have to find the age after 10 years, so x plus 10. Now age of Sonu is similarly y plus 10. Now we are given in the question that 10 years later Nouri will twice as old as Sonu. Now Nouri is greater than Sonu by 2 times. According to question, in second condition, x plus 10 equal to y plus 10. How to make these terms are equal? By multiplying by smaller term. So here smaller is Sonu. So multiply by 2 because we are given the twice. X plus 10, 2y plus 10 to the 20. Minus 2y equal to 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y equal to 10. This is our second equation. Now we have two equations. One is x minus 3y equal to minus 10. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. Second is x minus 2y equal to 10. Now we have to solve these equations. Let us see again. Here coefficient of x is 1. Here coefficient of x is also 1. So in this question there is no need to multiply with their coefficient to make them numerically equal because these are already equal. So just change their sign. Subtract 1 and 2. Subtract the equations 1 and 2. When we are subtracting, always change their sign. Here is minus sign, minus 2y become plus 10 is minus 10. So cancel. Minus 3 plus 2y is equal to minus y equal to minus 10 minus 20. So y is equal to 20. Y is age of Sonu. So 20 years. This is the age of Sonu. Now substitute the value of y in any equation. I am substituting value of y in this equation. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. So x minus 3y is 20 minus 10. X is minus 60 minus 10. X is equal to minus 10 minus 60. When it goes to right side, so change the sign. X is equal to 50. X is the age of Nouri. So Nouri is for 50 years. Age of Nouri, present age of Nouri is 50 years. Age of Sonu is 20 years.